sure if I'm filming correctly because I can't see anything, but yeah. Anyway, we are going to Lotte World. I'm so happy because I'm so excited. Thanks Lotte for bringing me there. I'm at Lotte World. We just got our tickets. Oh my god, isn't it pretty here? Woo! Yay! I want to go to this, and then I'll go to that giant loop thingy. The sun is crazy today. I'm so excited. Yay!
Hello.
Yay, we're at the Octopus Park. And we saw that. I want to sit all this crazy rides. Screaming.
다시 한번 올라가도록 하겠습니다. 너무나도 아쉽지만 이번 운행은 여기까지였습니다. 더 이상의 보조벨 풀어주시고 안전바 높이 올려.
Just ate and now we are queuing for the carriage. We're taking the hot air balloon. I am on the hot air balloon. 안녕. 안녕. 친구야. 예뻐. We are almost done with the theme park, so I think we are going to move on. I don't know where we are going to go for dinner or something. It's really beautiful. Thank you so much for having me here. And I know today we will be eating seafood. Wow. Looking super fascinating. Wow. Wow. So much. So many things going on. My hand just touched me. It's dirty. My hand just touched me on my sleeve. I just came out of my house and I'm clean. That means there are squid remains on my hand right now. Looking at all this food makes me super hungry. I want to eat. I am going to eat this. It's moving.
태워 반대다서 인기가 이게 잡생이 이거야. 풍기를 너무 풍기를
Oh my god.
태워. 풍기라도 맞았어. 이거 나.
Can't take it. Stop.
이때 걔가 살아. 알겠어. 그렇지.
짠. 맛있어.
야, 간수 이나래.
그래서 잘 가더라.
먹어.
아 이렇게. 한다니까. 아니 내가 요거다 먹잖아. 니도 요거다 먹고 진짜. 네가 확실히 얘기를 하고 와, 알았지? 왜냐면 데리고 가서 차라리.
Yay, we have the steamed
아또 먹어.
crab.
광기로 오면은 뭐지?
And I'm waiting for the abalone.
저희 기본 좋아하는 하는 말인가? 그냥 그게
10만 원짜리 살려고 했는데 10만 원.
내가 얻을 수 있어. 그거 얼마나 신기해. 뭐야? 애기 누나.
얘 전화 받아봐라 여기. 빨리 받아봐 엄마.
자기가 받는 게 아니라 나한테 온 게.
Hello. I am putting some moisturizer on my feet right now because it's cracking very badly. I'm using the Ultra Moisturizer sent to me by IDS Clinic. They will only send this to patients. They will only send this to patients who are going to temperate climate. So I use this on my legs also. Okay. And I've been eating the Lyco White that this gave me as well. So this is Big John's place outside. Yeah, it's a very nice place. 공이야. So it's a really nice place. I'm upstairs. I stay upstairs. That's my room there. So now we are going to COEX because I want to find my cacao merchandise shop. Ah! 안녕. We are at Taco Bell. It's my first time trying Taco Bell. Not sure if it's nice, but it's really tiny as I can tell. We are at COEX Mall, here to look for my hot dog creatures. I'm so excited. The things here are all like freaking expensive because it's all the branded stuff. We are here! Oh my god! Hyperventilation. Oh my god! Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm gonna buy everything. Look at this. It's a giant Muji. I want to buy all this, but it's so freaking expensive. Look at that. 어떡해. We just went to Cacao Friend and I bought some stuff that I'm guilty of because it's expensive. Oh my god, we are at a cinema and there is a slide. 대박.
조심하세요.
For dinner for today, we are having this 국수. 안녕. Just got back from COEX and my hair is extremely messy. 모르겠어. So tired. Don't know why so tired. Okay, see you tomorrow. 잘 자. Where are you? Where's the car?